Opisyal nang inilunsad ng Bangsamoro Government ang Implementing Rules and Regulations o IRR ng Bangsamoro Nutrition Commission o BNC na magpapalakas sa koordinasyon at pagpapatupad ng mga programang pangnutrisyon upang mabawasan ang kaso ng malnutrisyon sa mga batang Bangsamoro. Ang News Now sa report.
Sa paglulunsad, sinabi ng pangunahing may akda ng batas na si Member of Parliament Cadil Sinulinding Jr. na bunga ng mahigit 3 taong pagsisikap ang pagkakatatag ng Bangsamoro Nutrition Commission upang matiyak na magiging prioridad ang nutrisyon sa rehiyon. Ayon kay MP Sinulinding Jr., magsisilbing pangunahing ahensya ang komisyon sa pangunguna at pag-uugnay ng mga programang tutugon sa malnutrisyon, food security at iba pang suliraning pangkalusugan na nakakaapekto sa paglaki at pag-unlad ng mga bata sa Bangsamoro.
I would like to start the journey of this bill starting from the challenge. When we see a lot of children underweight, wasted, and stunted. Back in 2010, when I started my career as the Regional Secretary of the DOH-ARMM, I saw this before my eyes. It is just that maybe it is part of the priorities of our leaders. Slowly, we introduced, we insisted, we opened their eyes that nutrition is one of the vital keys for our children to compete into the world arena in terms of intellectual capacity, in terms of cognitive function, in terms of academic excellence. Hindi na po yung ipapadala natin ay puro pang-manpower lamang, kundi skilled, talented, at saka experts throughout the world. And now, Bangsamoro is being recognized.
Samantala, binigyan din naman ni Member of Parliament Hashimi Dilanggalin ang kahalaga ng pagkakaroon ng isang organisado at magkakaugnay na sistema upang maagap na matukoy, matugunan at masubaybayan ang mga kaso ng malnutrisyon sa rehiyon.
As a member of the Bangsamoro Parliament, I supported this measure because nutrition is not a small concern. It affects learning, it affects maternal health, it affects the child recovery from illness. It affects the strength of our communities, especially those that already carry the burden of poverty, displacement, and recurring disaster. At isa din po sa epekto ng malnutrition ang pagkakaroon ng low education or low quality of education. Kaya kudos po sa ating Honorable MP Dr. Jojo Sinulinding Jr. who championed this measure and helped carry it from a bill into law. I also commend the Ministry of Health, the Nutrition Division, the Regional Nutrition Committee, and everyone who contributed to the drafting, review, and finalization of this IRR.
Ayon pa kay Dilanggalin, pag-iisahin ng Bangsamoro Nutrition Commission ang mga programa at serbisyo ng mga ahensya ng pamahalaan, mga lokal na pamahalaan, health workers, mga paaralan, komunidad at development partners upang maging mas maagap, organisado at epektibo ang pagtugon sa malnutrisyon sa buong Bangsamoro. Nakiisa rin ng UNICEF sa paglulunsad ng Implementing Rules and Regulations ng Bangsamoro Nutrition Commission. Ayon kay UNICEF Mindanao Field Office Chief Andreas Westernbirds, ang IRR ang magsisilbing mahalagang hakbang mula sa pagpaplano tungo sa aktual na pagpapatupad ng mga programang magpapabuti sa kalagayan ng nutrisyon sa Bangsamoro. Binigyan din niya na ang Bangsamoro Nutrition Commission na nasa ilalim ng Office of the Chief Minister ang kauna-unahang Nutrition Commission ng ganitong uri sa Pilipinas. Patunay ng matatag na pamumuno at pagkilala na ang nutrisyon ay pundasyon ng pag-unlad at pangmatagalang kapayapaan sa rehiyon.
The IRR reflects the voices, experience, and aspirations of the Bangsamoro people. Because of this inclusive process, the IRR is firmly grounded in local realities. It reflects not only what is needed on paper, but what is required in practice to improve nutrition outcomes for children in Bangsamoro, in the Bangsamoro region. As UNICEF, we acknowledge the continuing nutrition challenges that exist in Barm, which remains a public health concern affecting children's growth and their long-term development. But we are also very proud of the partnership that has been forged over the years, accompanying the Ministry of Health and our partners throughout this journey. We have been able to provide technical assistance in the drafting process and to contribute resources that help to bring this work to completion.
Bagamat nananatiling hamon ang malnutrisyon sa rehiyon, tiniyak ng UNICEF ang patuloy nitong pakikipagtulungan sa Bangsamoro government upang may sakatuparan ng mga polisiya at mapalakas ang mga programang magbibigay ng mas malusog at mas magandang kinabukasan para sa bawat batang Bangsamoro. Criza Chavez, iMinds, Philippines.